Stellar's XLM token surged approximately 30% in the wake of a major institutional announcement. The Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, DTCC, a Wall Street clearing giant overseeing over $114 trillion in assets, named Stellar as its inaugural public blockchain partner for tokenized securities settlement. This partnership represents a significant step toward mainstream blockchain adoption in institutional finance. Within 24 hours of the disclosure, XLM reached 0.2443, marking one of the most notable price movements in the altcoin space recently. The DTCC's decision is not a sudden surprise, but rather the culmination of nearly a decade of collaboration. The relationship traces back to Securities, tokenization firm acquired by DTCC in 2023 and rebranded as DTCC Digital Assets. Securities had already worked with Stellar's development team to embed compliance features such as clawback capabilities and identity verification systems into the blockchain. These features are crucial for institutional adoption, particularly in regulated markets. The new infrastructure will allow tokenized assets managed through DTCC's Depository Trust Company division to be settled on the Stellar network, with services expected to launch in early 2027. Market activity following the announcement showed a 2.31% increase in trading volume to $4.26 billion, and open interest surged by 21.36% to $384.49 million. This indicates strong institutional. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. And retail interest in the partnership. The price movement has also drawn attention to key technical levels. The XLM token is now approaching a critical resistance at 30 cents, and maintaining support at 23 cents remains essential for continued bullish momentum. The market is closely watching whether Stellar can hold its recent gains and whether the partnership will lead to broader institutional adoption of blockchain-based settlement systems. The partnership also signals a shift in how traditional financial institutions are approaching blockchain technology. Rather than building proprietary systems, they are increasingly choosing established public blockchains with proven compliance and scalability features. Stellar's ability to integrate regulatory tools into its protocol has made it an attractive option for firms like DTCC. This is a significant validation for Stellar and could lead to further partnerships in the future. However, the market is still uncertain about the long-term impact of this partnership. While the initial price reaction has been strong, the actual launch of the tokenized settlement services is still months away. Investors are now watching for signs of continued institutional interest and whether other major financial institutions will follow DTCC's lead. The next key signal to watch is whether Stellar can maintain its price above 23 cents and whether the DTCC begins onboarding clients for its new tokenized settlement platform. If the platform gains traction and more firms express interest in using Stellar for similar purposes, the price could continue to rise. Conversely, if the momentum fades and the market shifts focus to other developments, the price could face downward pressure. The broader crypto market is also watching closely, as Stellar's success could influence how other public blockchains are perceived in institutional circles. This partnership is not just about Stellar's token price, it's about the growing acceptance of blockchain in traditional finance. The next major event to monitor is the launch of the tokenized settlement services in early 2027. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. And how the market reacts to the first live transactions on the platform. The stakes are high, as this partnership could redefine how financial institutions interact with public blockchains. If Stellar can deliver on its promise of secure, compliant, and efficient settlement infrastructure, it could position itself as a leader in the institutional blockchain space. On the other hand, if the integration faces delays or regulatory hurdles, the market may reassess the long-term viability of the partnership. The next few months will be critical in determining whether this is a one-time price spike or the beginning of a new chapter for Stellar in institutional finance.